Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Wicked Edge. Now that you've created a burr, I'm going to show you how to finish sharpening your knife. You're going to start by using your 200 grit diamond stones and do 10 alternating strokes per side. This will remove the burr. Make sure you're keeping the pressure light while you do this. There's no need to go fast. Take your time and let your hands learn the motion. You can do a test to see how sharp your blade is by placing the marker, a pen, or your fingernail on the edge of the blade to see if it catches. If using your fingernail, be careful. You'll want to check for sharpness at several points along the length of the blade. If it's not catching, you'll want to go back to the process of creating the burr. Now you can switch to your 600 grit stones and do 10 alternating strokes per side. To switch to the 600 grit stones, you don't need to remove the handles from the guide rods. You can just rotate them. You now have a great working edge on your knife. If you have higher grit diamond stones, you can now move to the next highest grit and continue alternating 10 strokes on each side. Once you're satisfied the knife is sharp, you can now remove it from the vise. You start by grasping the knife in one hand, then use the vise key to loosen the screws. Always want to start by loosening the bottom jack screw and then the top pivot screw. At this point, you probably have a lot of marker ink and diamond grit on your blade, so you'll want to clean it off. To clean your knife, you'll want to use isopropyl alcohol. You can spray a little bit on a paper towel or a rag. Just kind of wipe all that marker ink and diamond grit off the blade. Be really careful not to cut yourself. The blade's super sharp. It's very easy to cut yourself at this stage in the process. The next video in this series will show you how to touch up your knife and maintain your edge.